Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well, staying safe and healthy. My name is Ravi Malvia. I am design manager here at SCL, working on T-Mobile uh, project and the frontline applications. I do all the creative work uh, for uh, for frontline applications, like user experience, visual guide, creating a designs, doing validating the designs. All are the all design related to design activities, and I'm managing the team here for visual designer and the UX designer.
हेलो, आई एम अनवी दलाल और मैं स्नैपचैट के न्यूयॉर्क ऑफिस में iOS डेवलपर हूँ। मैं हार्टी कंग्रेचुलेशंस देना चाहती हूँ टू द एंटायर टीम एट अरीना फॉर completing 25 years of brilliance. It is thanks to Arena that I am where I am today. मैंने अरीना ज्वाइन करा था when I was in 12th class and 3D मॉडलिंग एंड ड्राइंग सीखी थी एंड मेरा कॉलेज के लिए पोर्टफोलियो बनाया था एंड इट इज़ थैंक्स टू दैट पोर्टफोलियो दैट आई गॉट एडमिशन एट द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पेंसिल्वेनिया एंड उधर से आगे चल के अब स्नैपचैट. तो थैंक यू एंड अगेन कंग्रेचुलेशंस.
Hi everybody, this is Baljit here. I was one of the earlier students of Arena Multimedia, Geeta Bhavan Square, and I feel so lucky, I feel so blessed that I was part of this journey. Uh, we got to meet a mentor, a friend, a philosopher, a guide, a guru in Sanjay sir, in Ekta ma'am, and the earlier teachers of those times. It was such a new field back then that we were all so amazed and so energized to do something amazing with this field. There was this line that I still remember, and we often my batchmates, whenever we get together, we often sing it. Arena Multimedia, the place to be. Arena Multimedia for you and me. It was so beautiful. It was such a wonderful journey, and today this occasion marks one of the milestones, and I'm sure this is just the beginning. You will all go on to achieve much more, many more accolades, many more achievements. I wish I could join you. Maybe I will on this day. But anyway, my heartiest congratulations to the whole team again, and have a great time. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Mohit Soni and I'm the Chief Executive Officer for Media and Entertainment Skills Council. I'm very excited, like you all are, for this 25th year of success which Arena Indore Geeta Bhavan is going to be celebrating soon. Have been a student of Arena Geeta Bhavan Indore long time back and still cherish those lovely memories. And my interaction with Mr. Sanjay Khemsveria, my trainers, my teachers, my friends, the golden days are always remembered on the back of my mind, and I wish to, again come back and be one day at Arena Indore Geeta Bhavan, learning new skills, making new friends, and have a lovely time there. I'm sure all of you are doing great, doing good, and are going to be making it big to this industry. So, from my side, I could assure you that you are at one of the best places which the country could have. The candidates graduating out have made real good success stories, and I'm sure a day will come when we will talk about you being a successful entrepreneur, a candidate in the industry who has been driving the next wave of animation, visual effects, gaming in this country.
Hello everyone, and many congratulations to Arena Animation for successfully completing 25 years in this industry. My name is Charchit Purwal and I am from Indore. I have pursued IIP VFX from Arena Animation Geeta Bhavan Indore. I passed out in 2019, then I joined NY VFX Wala as a CG journalist. There I got the opportunity to work in various Bollywood movies like Tanaji, Booj, Radhe, Lakshmi Bomb, Ludo, and many more in past 2.5 years. I am grateful to Arena Animation and all the faculties who helped me in building my career. It was a great learning experience over there. I got the various opportunities and which helped me in improving my skills. So I'm always be thankful to Arena Animation, and thank you for having me a part of this celebration. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Hello everyone. My heartiest congratulations to the entire team of Arena Multimedia Geeta Bhavan Indore. Sanjay sir, Ekta madam, staff and all the students for completing 25 glorious years. It's been a splendid journey, and I wish you many more years of knowledge, excellence, and success. Congratulations and best of luck.
My name is Pooja Mansukhani and I have completed graphic and web development course from Arena Animation in 2015. Currently, I am working in Accenture for last 6 months as a senior application development developer, and currently I am working in Angular and backend technologies and front-end technologies also. So actually I am front-end developer, but now I started working on backend technologies also. So I want to thank all mentors, Rinki ma'am and Sanjay sir and everyone like in Arena. All mentors helped a lot. So thank you so much all for all the information you have given me. Because of you I am here. So I have total now 6 years of experience, and I'm not stick to one technology. I'm learning new things daily. And one tip to all the students like who is learning web development from Arena Animation is like just focus on JavaScript, because if you know JavaScript you can do anything. Like that is the base. I can see JavaScript you have to use everywhere, and this is the main basic skill you should focus on.
Hey friends, this is Mukesh. I'm a founder and director of Prabhav Creation Studio, and I'm a ex-student of Arena Animation गीता भवन स्क्वायर. मैं संजय खिमेश्रा सर, मैम और अरीना के पूरे स्टाफ को बधाई देना चाहूँगा अरीना एनिमेशन के 25th फाउंडेशन डे पर. एंड साथ ही साथ मैं थैंक्स भी कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि अरीना एनिमेशन के पूरे स्टाफ ने, सर ने जो मुझे सपोर्ट किया एंड मुझे नई नई क्रिएटिव चीज़ें सिखाई, उसके लिए थैंक्स अ लॉट. And also once again congratulations for 25th foundation day of Arena Animation. Thank you.
Sanjay sir, Ekta ma'am, and to the entire family of Arena Animation Geeta Bhavan. Wish you all a very very happy anniversary on this silver jubilee year. बहुत ही प्राउड फील हो रहा है that I was under the guidance of such a great team of mentors. Thank you so much for helping me throughout while I was pursuing BSc in Animation VFX along with Diploma in AAIP. It was a tremendous experience with you all. थैंक यू सो मच, क्योंकि आपने डे 1 से स्टडीज़ के साथ साथ हमें प्रोजेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस दिए, इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर दिया, जिसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं मैं अपने बैचमेट्स वीनस और निखिल के साथ में ये कंपनी द एमर्जिंग रे स्टूडियो सेटअप कर पाया. द एमर्जिंग रे स्टूडियो आज सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेट कर रहा है, जिसका श्रेय कहीं ना कहीं अरीना एनिमेशन की पूरी टीम को जाता है. वी आर रियली थैंकफुल फॉर द एंटायर टीम, जो कि आज भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और हमें सही और गलत का रास्ता दिखाते हैं. We wish Arena Animation Geeta Bhavan to cross more such milestones in future. Wish you all the success and happiness. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary.
Hello all, I am Jitendra Bhatti. I am working as a module lead in Galaxy Weblinks Limited, and I would like to very congratulate to Arena Animation Geeta Bhavan Square, especially Sanjay sir, on the occasion of Silver Jubilee. So I remember when I met to Sanjay sir first time in his office, and he guided me very well about this course. After it, I completed triple ASP course from there, and it was the career course. Really, it was the career course. So if we talk about the faculty, so faculty is very talented here, and if we talk about the technology or lab, so I think lab is very advanced. So if you want to make your career in this space, you can transform yourself as per market standards. So I highly recommend it to Arena Animation, so because it is deserves. So my best wishes with you, Sanjay sir and Arena Animation, all members. Thank you.